Hello, sweeties! Today we are going to learn about the wild animals, their homes, and their sounds. Now, let's start with the wild animal zebra. The zebra sounds like Winnie, Winnie. And zebra lives in jungle. Here comes our long neck giraffe. Giraffe lives in Savanna and it sounds like bleat. It's a lion. Lion lives in den. Lion roars. Here is my favorite wild animal, elephant. Elephant lives in jungle. And elephant says, trumpet. Here is the naughtiest wild animal, monkey. Monkey screeches. Monkeys live in trees. It's a tiger. Tiger lives in lair. Tiger roars. Here is our rhinoceros. It gives a sound, pillow. Rhinoceros lives in Savanna. Here is a sloth. Sloth squeaks. Here comes the hippopotamus. Hippopotamus growls. Hippopotamus lives in riverbank. It's a polar bear. Polar bear lives in burrow. And it says hissing. Deer. Deer says bellow. Deer lives in grassland. Now it's a raccoon. Raccoon says trill. Raccoon lives in a burrow. Here is a brown bear. Bear lives in den. Bear growls. Today I enjoyed learning about wild animals. Hope you too. If so, please like our video, share it to your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.